What's up YouTube, it is me Vogel, and today I am going to be unboxing the iQ 5000X RGB mid-tower PC case by Corsair. So, bought this one to replace my current PC case because I thought I was due a bit of an upgrade and I wanted to personalize mine a bit more. The PC case I originally got was basically picked out by the guy in the store as something that would work for me. And ultimately I didn't choose it. So this is me, putting a bit more personality into my PC build. So let's have a look at it. Oh, okay. The one thing I can say is I'm pretty sure the front is facing the top here. Oh, it's quite a big case. I think it's definitely a lot bigger than the one I've got. So there we go. That is the case there. Very nice. Instructions, that's definitely good to see. So, well, since we've got them on the bottom right now, what I can say, we've got a filter on the bottom there that just comes, I believe we'll just pull out. So that I believe is for the power supply during it, any fan work and whatnot there. Got nice feet on the bottom. Well, I might leave these on for now, but at the front, I've got this glass pane here and the 3 installed RGB fans. I would say the only downside with this case is there's no back fan installed. So I also bought one of those. So we will pop that in later. My sibling's coming around today to help me build it because I'm a bit of a novice. But I believe this just pops out. I'm not gonna try it without reading the instructions, but I have seen online I believe that's what happens there. And we've also got a dust filter in there. On the top, we've got 2 USB 3.0s, 1 USB Type-C, an audio and microphone combined jack, and a reset button. Don't know what the reset button does. Also got the power button here, which is a nice power button. We also have space here for 3 additional fans in the top, which I will be putting in my build. This case can hold up to 10 120 millimeter fans, and I will be maximizing all of that with my fan combination with the 4 I've got here, and the other 6 will be coming from my old PC. This panel comes off as well, and we've got another dust filter. What can we show you on the back? On the side, we have glass panel here. These just screw off with these bits at the back here. Just take off on both sides. We have another dust filter for another 3 fans that can go on the side there. And I believe this panel you can remove if you want to, but honestly, I think with the cable management you'll be doing for RGB, you wouldn't want to be doing that. Definitely options there to show more or less as you want. I might personalize it with some stickers. On the other side, oh, here we go. This is all the good stuff. So completely see-through glass there. Probably needs a bit of a clean because I've now grubbied it up. But you can see power supply goes in there. You can remove this part, I believe, and this component in here, and that will open up space for the 3 side fans. And there's just space for the 3 on the top and the 3 that are already installed. You can see if we look at the back, got space for the back fan, which will be that one over there. You've got space for 7 PCIe slots there, though I imagine graphics card will use up 2 of those. And you've got space here to vertically mount a graphics card if you so desire. I probably won't be doing that because I'm not that clever. And I probably don't really need to. There's your space for your power supply. Basically, you unscrew the 2 bits at the back and then it pops out from there and then slides out. But yes, you can see in here, we have this component here, and I'm going to try and take it off. So we'll see how we go. Alright, we managed to get this bad boy out. What I will say, if you force this, it will bend. Because while it's metal, this bit I found there was a screw, and I did bend this a little, but I mean, you can, I don't know if you guys can see, but can't even tell now. I've literally, like, it bends back into shape, so it's fine. But there are 3 screws in this. The one in here is a nightmare to get at, but bit of jigging, we did manage to get it out. So you can see now we've got space here for our 3 side fans, but also sneaky in here, you can see there's nice cable routing in the case there, so it'll make it very easy to hide cables in the back here. Now what I would like to get at is actually the what's in here. So I believe if I pull off this, right in the hard drive bay, which is really cute, is a little goodie. Don't want to break this bit because I actually do want to use it later. So we'll pop that back in. So you can see we have, now that I've got it all out, you can see we've got room for 2 3.5-inch hard drives, and I believe mounting for 3 SSDs here, which is really nice. Obviously, most people are using M.2s these days, but you know, if your motherboard runs out of space, maybe you can put some older hard drives for that extra storage. In this box, we get, here are all our straps, a whole bunch of spare screws and whatnot, I guess, to install things, and some electronic thing that I'm sure my sibling will tell me all about. Right, so you can now see, flip it around, so you can put this nice little plate in there, so you got room for your fans, and it ensures that doesn't look ugly, rather than having this bit in there. So that's just spare part. That's a spare part because we're not going to use it. You can see better here, we've got really nice cable management. You also got a bit of space in there. So yeah, other than, I would say so far, other than getting this out, which I'm not kidding, probably took about 20 minutes of me trying to figure it all out and getting access to one little sod in there that wouldn't come loose. Other than that, very nice, very easy to manage case. So I think good value for money. And I think it's probably at the price point it was, it's one of the best fan cases out there. I couldn't find anything else that would hold this many fans at this price point. Definitely well worth it. I'm excited to get it set up. You can see here we've got Corsair's IQ Lightning node. These 3 fans are already attached. It holds up to 6 RGB fans. And And I believe this is another fan thing that's hooked up to the motherboard. You can see here, this is Corsair's IQ Lightning node. It holds up to the RGB for up to 6 fans in the case. We also have another little fan thing here that I believe is supposed to connect to the motherboard and just helps you control all the fans. We also have room here for 3 2.5-inch hard drives, SSDs, and space here for 2 3.5-inch, which is great because I do have a 3.5, so one's probably going to go in there, and my small SSD is going to go there. I built my last computer when SSDs were taken off, so I only have a small SSD for the operating system, and then I've got a larger hard drive for stuff, but I am hoping to move more into SSDs in the future as I continue to build in here. But the nice thing is this gives me the options to put quite a bit of customization in there, as well as obviously M.2 drives, which we'll put in the motherboard, and that will give me a bit more faster storage as well. And here is the finished product. Got the case all going. Looks very nice having all the fans going. You can see we've got our back fan there that I showed you earlier. It's matching the 3 down the side here because they're all Corsair. We have 6 Cooler Master fans there. They're just doing their own thing. They're having a good time. I've also upgraded my computer. So we have a GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card that we've put in. Should make playing Horizon Zero Dawn a lot easier. We've upgraded the motherboard as well. We've got this Asus one, so a lot better RGB control. And you can see it's got some lighting on the side there. There's actually some lighting under the graphics card there that you might be able to see peeking through. We've put in an AMD 5700X CPU, much more powerful than my Intel i5. We've also put a CPU RGB fan. This is a cryo rig one there. Obviously my cable management, I'm not going to pretend I'm the best cable manager, but I've never built a computer before, so I'm pretty proud of myself, you know. You can see up the top there, we've got the 3 fans exhausting there, and we've got our buttons, which are very exciting. Around the back, you got this panel which you can remove and show you horrible cable management, and you got the 3 intake fans here. But I also decided it'd be fun to personalize this little panel, so I've put some stickers on it. Sadly, I did not position them well, so half the stuff over there got cut off, but never mind. So I've got a wireless adapter there, which is still coming through. Also got the old, that's 16 gigs of RAM, 4 4GB cards there. That's from my old computer. I have stuff in my hand. And then down here, we've got our PCIe's. So we've got USB extra ports here, the Elgato capture card down the bottom, power supply you can maybe see peeking through there. And we've got the wireless adapter just hiding up in there. We also, you can't see one of them because it's got a heat sink there. So that behind that middle bit, just going along here, we've got an M.2 SSD. And then we've got another sneaky M.2 SSD just hiding there. So I put two times 1 terabyte ones in there. One for games, one for video editing. So this is going to be a lot more powerful for me to make content for you guys, which is very exciting. And the other side, we've also got a 500GB SSD I've added, and my original operating system SSD. And I think we've still got room for one more SSD. Plus, technically we have space in the bottom here, but I'm keen not to expand into that space. I think that's just going to be annoying. So that is my computer. Hope you all like it. We can do a little front-facing view, I think. So there it is. It's looking pretty good overall, I'd say. Let me know what you guys thought of it in the comments. I would definitely say that this is an excellent computer case and well worth the money I spent on it, though it is on the more expensive end. So you definitely don't need something like this, but I will say with the 10 fans plus the CPU fan, it is definitely getting good cooling going through. But otherwise, I'll just say thank you so much for watching. If you liked today's video, please make sure you like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Bye!